Good morning. First video ko na try ko to document kung anong ginagawa ko as a yoga teacher. Being employed somewhere else. So right now, we're headed to, or I'm headed to Calatagan, Batangas in Casobe. This is with Nahil, and I will be facilitating as their yoga teacher for this weekend retreat. So date today is May 23 to 24. This is overnight. And then let's see. See ya. Hello! Kararating lang namin sa Casobe. And so this is the itsura ng private cocoon. Let me show you the space. Right now, ayokong lumabas. Dito muna tayo sa loob kasi nagcha-charge ako. Maglulobat na ako maya-maya. So, I don't know. Anyway, hopefully, after nung class ko, then I can have more content for what I'm doing right now. See you. So, nabigla lang tayo kanina. I'm wearing the event host right now, and I'm waiting lang for our call. I keep looking at the mic. Weird, no? Supposedly dito. Right? It's 4:46 p.m. and our parang call time is 5. The program will start at 5:30, and I'll be doing or I'll be teaching yoga, and then followed by a sound healing, which I'm actually looking forward to kasi fan ako ng sound healing as well. So, see you later. Good morning. Hindi ko pa na-realize ko kapag nagre-record ng ganito, hindi ko pa kayang i-share almost all of what I do in a day. And it takes a lot of courage to stay open kasi there's the risk involved dun sa mga nag-share ng ganito. So kudos, dahil nga seems like it's easy to be open until ginagawa mo na. So nagising ako ng 6 to take a bath, and then nag-aya si Kim
I've got a list.
na to go out
A list of people who are about to be involved in very
para
bad
mag-beach.
situations. Murders, kidnapping.
I will share it sa Instagram, but in the
They have
meantime,
no idea that anything's about to
sa
happen.
ngayon, hanggang ganito na muna sa YouTube, I guess. I don't know where it will be shared, but anyway, kain po tayo. We wanted sana dun sa The Sands. So again, for those asking, nandito po kami ngayon sa land ko. Pangalan nito, Casobe or Casobe, kasi Casobe stands for Calatagan South Beach, right?
You were being watched.
And so I thought,
A secret system.
why not dito mag-start ang compilation ng ganito. Ang hirap pala. Kasi I keep on looking at the mic. Feeling ko yun yung camera, yung camera. And then the other one is I am still a private person na ine-enjoy yung walang ganito, or maybe I'm not that generation. Kasi yung iba naman, mas matanda sa akin, mas rare. So maybe we're in between na parang we'd rather have the camera not on our faces. Katulad yan,
That's good here.
dahil kumakain na ako,
That won't work, Mr. Reese. Your interrogation technique.
the video ends here. Bye.
Answer questions.